Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing about off-campus hiring from Park Plus, Tata Power, Byju's and Hexagon. So all BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, BSc, PCA students from 2021, 22, 23 and 24 batch students can apply for this opportunity. The main key points of this video will be there is no 60% criteria. Almost all branches can apply for this job. Salary will range from 4.5 LPA to 8.5 LPA. Location will be work from home or Pan India location. So let's begin our video. The first opportunity is from Park Plus. Park Plus is hiring for SD1 role with experience of 0 to 1 years. Location will be Gurgaon. Talking about the knowledge, then you should be having a knowledge in any backend programming language. Python or Golang will be preferred, and you should be also having knowledge in RDBMS, MySQL, data structure and few cloud-based platform like AWS or GCP. The second opportunity is from Tata Power. Tata Power is hiring for graduate engineer trainee. Talking about the qualification, then this opportunity is only specified to electrical engineers. BE, BTech in electrical engineering students can only apply for this job. If we talk about the selection process, then the selection process is very simple. There will be a written test followed by aptitude and technical test, and then you will be having psychometric assessment, and after that personal interview. And if you are shortlisted in all the three stages, then you will be getting your joining in the month of May 2023 onwards. Talking about salary and benefits, then salary will be 6.64 LPA. And along with the salary, there are many benefits which you will be getting after joining. Few benefits which you will be availing after joining is medical facilities, travel reimbursement, mobile phone and laptop reimbursement, and many more benefits. So all electrical engineering students must apply for this opportunity. You must apply for this job before 29 January 2023. Third opportunity is from Byju's. Byju's is hiring for business development associate with experience of 0 to 2 years. It means 2022, 21 and 2020 BTech graduates can apply for this job. Location will be Pan India. Talking about the role, then after you will be getting selected, you will be undergoing in applicant training program which will consist of 6 weeks. This 6 week of ATP program is divided into 2 phases. First phase is of 2 weeks of classroom training, and the next phase is of 4 weeks of on the job training. And this applicant training program of 6 weeks is mandatory to complete, as because after the completion of this program only you will be joining as a business development associate with Byju's. So talking about the salary and stipend, you will be offered a stipend of 16,600 fixed pay during your training program, and after your training program is completed, then you will be joining as a business development associate with a salary of 8.5 LPA, and this is further distributed into 4.5 LPA to 5.5 LPA is a fixed pay, performance pay. Package differ from city to city, and this hiring is for Pan India location. The fourth opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is from Hexagon. Hexagon is hiring for intern. Location will be Hyderabad. So talking about the educational qualification, then pursuing BE, BTech, ME, MTech students can apply. It means 2023 and 24 graduates can apply for this internship. Talking about the skill set, then you must be able to debug and test code. You must be able to test new software applications and automate test scripts using C#, JavaScript and Playwright. So this was the 4 opportunity. As per your eligibility, you can apply for all these jobs and internships. So if you want more jobs related to off-campus, consider subscribing this channel to receive the latest job updates. Thank you.